Hi, we at JK Tyre feel honored today to receive the prestigious BIS Excellence and Innovation Award under the category of IOT. This was possible, gentlemen, because of our leadership team. BETA Awards are the true testimony of excellence in the field of technology, and this recognition is connected mobility solution powered by field technology. The path-breaking products are a result of our customer-centric approach and, of course, extensive R&D. Connected mobility solution powered by field technology not just bring safety to the drivers but also helps in lower fuel consumption and more mileage. We are excited today on receiving this recognition and shall continue to expand our IoT solution portfolio. Once again, I would thank the jury and the entire team at BETA Awards. Thank you so much.